Hello everyone, here's a video on how to delete search history on Vidmate. Ever searched for something on Vidmate and thought, maybe I don't want this showing up later? We have all been there. Whether it's that guilty pleasure song, an embarrassing tutorial, or just keeping things steady, clearing your search history is a must. Why clear your search history? Keep your sources private. Because no one needs to know you watched cat videos for 3 hours straight. Avoid weird recommendations. YouTube algorithms never forgets. Free up some space. Every little bit counts. How to wipe it clean? Here are some steps for it. Firstly, open Vidmate. Then head to your YouTube section. Tap on the search bar. That brings up your recent searches. Look for a small X or a clear option where you can see the symbol of bin near the search history. Tap it, and boom, your secrets are now gone. Now you can search freely. No traces left behind. Happy browsing. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it.